Hi guys, so today we are going to start solving two-step inequalities. So we're going to take everything you already learned about solving two-step equations and what we've done with one-step inequalities and just kind of put it all together. So remember, when we're solving, you always want to undo the addition and subtraction before the multiplication and division. Remember, we talked about that sock and shoe method. So it's the opposite of PEMDAS. So undo addition and subtraction, then undo the multiplication and division. The only other rule you need to remember is that if you're multiplying or dividing by a negative, whatever number is attached to the variable, if that's negative, then you flip your sign. So we're going to go through a few examples, and then you're going to do some practice. So 2x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 24. We're going to start by undoing this addition by subtracting 4 from both sides. That gives me 2x is greater than or equal to 20. Now I have to get rid of this 2. I'm going to divide by a positive 2. Because I'm dividing by a positive 2, nothing changes. I'm going to be left with x is greater than or equal to, like I have to begin with, 10, and that would be my final answer. Okay, let's look at another example. We're going to do negative 11x minus 4 is greater than negative 15. So again, undo addition and subtraction before multiplication and division. We're going to add the 4 to cancel it. That gives me negative 11x is greater than negative 15 plus 4 is negative 11. Now I have to solve for x. I have to isolate x, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 11. Because this 11 is negative that I'm dividing by, that's what tells me I have to flip my sign. So that leaves me with x is less than negative 11 divided by negative 11 is positive 1. Okay, we're going to look at just one more example, and then hopefully you have enough to be able to practice. X over negative 6 minus 8 is less than or equal to 12. So let's start by getting rid of this minus 8. We're going to add 8 to both sides. That gives me x over negative 6 is less than or equal to 20. Now we have to isolate x. This is division, so we're going to multiply both sides by negative 6. That's going to cancel out, leaving me with x over here. 20 times negative 6 would be negative 120. And again, because I multiplied by a negative 6, then I have to flip my sign. So this is going to become greater than or equal to. X is greater than or equal to negative 120. You're now going to go on and do a Kahoot for practice. Reach out to Mrs. Bala or myself if you need help, and good luck.